Hello viewers, welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. In my last tutorial we learn about quotation, HTML quotations. Now we learn about HTML computer code. Now if you want to learn about computer code, then we must know about the code such like as this, some programming code, and in the code tag means computer code. Programming code, in the programming code tag we type some code, var x equal to 5, var for variable, and y equal to 6, br is break for break, document.get element by id, this is used in PHP, and demo, just only demo. Inner HTML, this is HTML file, that's why x plus y, 5 plus 6. If we want to so this HTML computer code formatting is normally uses variable, letter size and spacing. This is not what we want when displaying computer code. Just we see the output, we understand all. If we see, our output is this, just like this: var x equal to 5, variable y equal to 6, and document.get element by id dot concatenation, this is concatenation, inner HTML x plus y. And if there is also other elements, KBD tag, SAMP tag, and this is the code tag. Elements are all displayed in fixed letter size and spacing. And now we see about keyboard input, HTML keyboard input. If we want to see the keyboard input, this KBD element represents keyboard input. KBD tag, file, open, just like this. So this HTML KBD element defines keyboard input, and this element also displayed in fixed letter and size spacing. If we see the output, this is the output, file, open. And now we see about SAMP tag is output, computer programming output. SAMP, this is SAMP tag, and this SAMP tag is written by like this, demo as you wish, demoexample.com, login, this is the date and time, Linux, as you wish, you whatever you type under the same code tag, and this is the output, and this font size is different, understand? But we don't use any font in the same tag. Now we see code for computer code. Programming code example. This is the programming code example. Under the code tag, variable x equal to 5, variable y equal to 6, document.get element by id demo concatenation inner html x plus y. We see the output. This is the output. We don't use any font, but this font is different from this. Notice the code element doesn't preserve extra white space and line breaks. To fix this, you can put code element inside a pre-element, predefined, pre-formatted. Just like this. If you see, there is a pre-tag. This is the pre-tag. Previous output is this. There is no spaces, but if you use the pre-tag, then whatever you typed as your desired design, then output is the same when what you typed. Okay, fine. Now we see the output. This is the output, and this is our typed programming this is our code, and this is the output as the same what I typed. So this is the pre-tag. So pre-tag is very useful. Now we see the var. This var for variable. Suppose Einstein wrote var. Under the var there is a e, var m, var c, and sup for superscript 2, e equal to mc square total. Now we see the output, e equal to mc square. This is the var code, var tag for variables, and the HTML var tag element defines a variable. The variable could be a variable in a mathematical expression or a variable in programming context, as you wish. So that's all. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Good day.